Hi everybody, Katrin Eismann here. Welcome to an Lightroom Minute. I want to show you how I use Radial Gradients in perfect registration to harmonize the inside and outside of an image. So I shot this puffy flower. I'm going to go plus selective and then choose Radial. Let's work on the inside first. So wherever's red is active, jump over to effects, definitely crank the texture. And in color, I don't really like that yellow cast, so I'm going to desaturate it. Now I want a radial gradient for the outside, so I'm going to long press, choose duplicate radial gradient, long press, reset current adjustments, and in the mask, I'm going to flip it. So now I'm only working on the outside. And now I can come over to exposure, darken it, and I'm definitely going to come over to color and make that sky blue. And now it almost looks like I photographed that at night, and I really like it.